Howdy everybody, and welcome back to our GameMaker Studio 2 Fundamentals. And today we are going to be talking about audio. So you remember back a little while ago I made a sound and added a little sound to go on it, like in this case, put book onto the shelf. And we set our values for it, gave it an audio group of effects. Well, how are we going to play that sound? Let's come back to our object player. And let's go over into the step event. We're just going to make a quick if keyboard check vk underscore oops, hit my mic there. Let's see, what kind of what key would we want to press? If we press vk down, I guess we'll do that. Then audio underscore play underscore sound. Sound ID, sound underscore sound, priority, 1, loops, false. Oh, telling me audio group 1 is not loaded. That's because I haven't loaded the audio group yet. I should probably actually do that. When you create an audio group, you have to load the audio group. So audio group load effects. Now let's do it. There you go. We can actually play the sound whenever we press the down key. But let's say if we go back into here. If I press the down key a whole bunch, you can hear it playing every single time. Let's say we only want to play the sound whenever the sound is not currently playing. So we would then say, and audio underscore is playing, sound underscore sound is false. Now we can only play whenever the sound is not playing. However, sometimes again, you kind of want to play if, let's say you had two different objects that you both wanted to play the same sound, but and you want to be able to play it at the same time. Well, doing it this way, you would not be able to play it then, because it would detect that one has already played it. So then the other one wouldn't play the sound. So let's change this up again. We can actually say sound underscore is equal to audio underscore play sound. So let's go over here. Sound underscore equal to no one. Each audio, when it plays, is given a numerical ID. So you can actually set that numerical ID to a variable and then check if sound underscore is playing. And now it'll check for that specific variant of that sound. So it works the same way, except now our other object could play that same sound at the same time if they want to. Back to audio underscore play sound, we can choose which sound we want to play and the priority. So our games have sound channels, so we can have up to 128 sound channels at a time, and we want to choose which sound channel, what priority it is playing. So if let's say we set our game so it only had one sound channel, then we try to play two sounds at the same time. Well, the game would then have to decide which sound is going to play first, and in this case, whichever one has the lower priority would play first. So if we try to play music and this at the same time, and we set the music to 2 and this to 1, this would play over the music. And of course, if we're playing music, we'll want to loop it. So we have the opportunity to loop it as well. Anyways, that should get you started working with sound. So thank you very much for listening, and good luck with your programming.